Hey guys, welcome back to What Would Dare You Wear, where style meets comfort. Today's video is all about one of my favorite bags that I purchased this year. Literally has been my sit down, don't buy nothing else this year bag, and it was worth every freaking penny. Okay, we know that Coach has had their foot on our necks for the last, I want to say 2+ years. But today's video is all about my Empire Carryall 48. And I'm gonna slowly bring this baby in because she's just that good, okay? So, of course, it comes in a nice huge dust bag. The first time that I saw it was on TikTok. They were showing us the runway show and the bags that they were carrying. It was the Empire Carryall 48. It came in a couple different colors, the honey brown, the burgundy, and navy is what I want to say. Right off the bat, a lot of the comments kind of said that it was going to be very limited, which I was like, in my mind, I don't ever think like, oh, I'm not gonna be able to get something. No. I was keeping the faith. Okay, so I'll pull her out as I tell you more about the bag. So anyways, first saw it on TikTok and I was like, all right. I kind of kept my eye on it. I wanted to see when it was coming out, and I wanted to put a bug in any rep's ear over at Coach that I was interested. Whew, child. Do you see her? Do you see her in all of her goodness? I started seeing whispers of it being available, like you would have to contact a Coach sales rep and let them know that you were interested, and they would let you know if they were available. I didn't at that time have someone that I could call, even though I've used or worked with a lot of Coach sales reps because I like wanted the denim tabby and things like that. But shout out to my sis Melissa. She had been working with Nicole over at the Charlotte South Park Coach, and she was like, hey sis, they're available, they only have a few more left. I'll let Nicole know that you're interested, and I'll tell her to reach out to you. Child, when I tell you, Nicole texted me and I was like, please, I want the bag, I don't care, you know? And at that point I didn't know how much it was gonna retail for, and it was $17.95 if I'm not mistaken, is how much I paid. Now that I've spent that much for a bag, yes, but it's been like Louis Vuitton or like a Prada bag. I think that was 12, but I've spent, you know, upwards of $2,000 for other bags or other brands of bags. And so I just knew I wanted this bag because I knew I was going to use it to travel, and I needed it in my life. It just looked too pretty to leave. And so yeah, Nicole was able to snag one for me. I had her ship it to the Charlotte store because I was actually going to be flying into Charlotte. And oh my God, when I went to go pick it up, I was just I was in love. That's all I could say. So yes, she is beautiful. It's this nice, natural, full grain leather. Okay. And I just love how weathered it looks. And of course, you can adjust the straps inside and buckle them here. Like it'll weave in, and then I can buckle it to tighten up the bag to make it more cinched in, like a cinched waist. So yeah, it's so good. It's worth every penny. And I know because it was so limited in this color and in this size, I was like, oh yeah. But what's so funny is that the smaller sizes, because it comes in like 4 different sizes if I'm not mistaken, those are really, really nice. I'll insert video clips of me trying or like holding the other size bags that are available online and in store. There's, I think I want to say it's like 3 other sizes that are down from the 48. So there's the 40, which is not too much smaller than this, and then I can't remember the other 2 to 3 sizes that are available. But it's such a good size. Of course, it comes with the crossbody strap. I've used it a total of maybe 3 to 4 times, and it has like the inner pocket here. I prefer totes that don't have like a ton of pockets or like structure, because I can do way more with it. When it comes to totes that I use to travel, I make sure that I can fit a whole other bag in it, like a small bag, like my mini bags. I can fit that in there as well, along with, of course, my my seat covers and my toiletry bag, all the things. I want to be able to do a lot with it, and it kind of just fits perfectly underneath the seat. And yeah, and I did adorn it with some little chains and things. I got this from a store in the mall called Tin Shop. It's super cute. It's like a faux boarding pass, and then all these little trinkets. That has been my most recent way to adorn the bag, which I love. And yeah, $17.95 was how much this bag was for. If I was you and you do love this style, because I think they said that we're gonna release the burgundy version, because that one didn't come out when this one did. I'm not really sure why, but keep your eyes peeled. If you have contact with a Coach sales rep, or just go in a store that's in your city and talk to them. They love chatting about all things Coach, and they kind of have foresight, or like obviously things are sent to them, so they kind of know a little bit of information that they can actually share, or just exchange information. Obviously they make commission when you buy things from them, so it's like, just make those, build those relationships. And I promise, because there's another bag that's gonna come out like the spring, or just in 2025. I don't know if you guys have seen it. I'll insert photos. It is this huge coin purse. It's an oversized coin purse clutch. It comes in mint, black, I want to say burgundy, and maybe one other color. But there's a couple different clutch purses that they're coming out with that are oversized. So good. That's my next bag. So I've been sitting down since buying this bag, but I'm ready for that one. I've told two Coach reps, like, put me on the list. So when you hear about it, I want to be the first to be reached out to, so I can get it. So that's really what the key is, if you have bags that you're interested in, and just staying on top of the mind, you know what I mean? They don't mind it. They have like work phones. But yeah, this baby is so good, worth every penny. I would say definitely go check out the smaller versions of the Empire Carryall in store, because those are more everyday bags in my opinion. Like the 48 to me gives travel and or someone who does a lot of movement, like for work, like they're always outside of their home. But the other sizes down from the 48, the 40, and the other sizes below are definitely every single day bags. Like you can in and out of it. It's definitely durable, all the things. So yeah, I'll make sure to link the bags that are available in the description. And yeah, I would just say keep your eyes peeled, because I feel like the 48 is going to come out again in that burgundy color, and you want to be ready. So yeah, that is it. If you have any questions about the Empire Carryall 48, let me know down in the comments. If you love her, let me know, because she deserves all the love. And make sure you hit that bell so you don't miss another video, and I'll see you guys on the next one.